Hi guys. So someone gave me some of these cakes. It's a rice cake, I guess. And when people give me food or I get it other than buying it by my own decision in a store, sometimes it might not meet my taste quite as perfectly as something I buy in a store. So to kind of enhance it, I might add some cream to it. So in this case, I'm going to cut this up into pieces, pretty small pieces. And then I got a big bowl here because it made it easier to cut. It gave my fork and knife some space. Now let me go get some cream. So I'm going to take this cream and pour kind of a goodly amount here. This was a sweet cake, I believe, so the cream kind of adds another rich flavor to it and a delicious flavor and hydrates it more. So now I'm going to eat this. Yeah, let me go. I should have gotten a spoon actually. Yeah, so let me that off. Yeah, there would be a lot of ways to, if you like this cake but you wanted to kind of enhance it, there would be other ways to do it. But cream can be a good, easy way to enhance lots of things. So, people think of cream, I think, as maybe having a lot of cholesterol. That might concern me if I did this often, but I really don't. Only here and there. And I think people think of cream as expensive, but I think compared to other gourmet items, it probably isn't. This isn't a big portion of the whole container, and I can when you use cream, it has a lot of calories per portion, so you tend not to use as much in a portion when you use it for something like I am here. So you tend to use it up more slowly. So even though it costs more, you also don't use it as fast, and you get more calories or sustenance per portion. So that kind of balances out the cost. For me, and you don't buy it as often because it is really the taste of it is kind of well, the taste of it, the effect of it in your mouth is that it's a strong taste, so you don't necessarily eat a great deal at a time. Even here, I'm taking some space between each bite. In this case, it's partly to talk, but if I weren't talking, I might still eat this rather slowly. I think cream is really good value for the money. Whatever you may use it on. So that's a way to improve something, or kind of add something to food you've been given that might otherwise not be your first choice. So I'm almost done now. If I forgot to put something in this video, I'll write it in the details under the video, or I'll make another video. But do like, comment, and subscribe, and the more subscribers, the better focus my video gets shown in. And comments are always welcome to any creator. They spark ideas. They're fun to read, to see what people think. If you're critical of this idea, don't like it, that's fine as well. Yeah, that amount of cream that I poured out, well, that container was probably $3, so that was maybe 75 cents or $1 worth of cream. But I got a lot of pleasure out of it. And if I did think of it as expensive, which I don't particularly, I don't do it all the time anyway, and you probably wouldn't either. So in my mind, I don't worry about it.